a cage clean video for Ash and Jay. I normally clean them once a week and spot clean them occasionally, about twice a week. But I've been quite busy, so it's been about 8 days. Just a day or two over schedule. So yeah, let's get into it. I apologise for some background noises like trains and cars. I live near a train station and my window is open. So I apologise for that in advance. So let's get into it. So, cage cleaning. I'll get the cage off. They're not currently in it. Is that too close? There. So now I have the cage. You can put it into it. And we'll get on to cleaning it. So, as you can see, I've taken out all the perches and toys, apart from the bottom half of their nesting house, which is zip tied on, which I shall be cleaning. So, moving on. These all need to be cleaned. You might be able to hear them chirping in the background. All their toys and things. And so, here's the top half. Of taking it off with a buckle, if you can see. So that's that, and I still haven't cleaned the bottom half. I shall be doing that shortly. So this is where I will be cleaning their perches and toys, and this is just your average sink. So now all the perches have been cleaned to the best of my ability. Now we shall wait for them to dry and move on to the toys. And now we dry. The wooden ones might have to dry themselves because wood doesn't dry very quickly, but I don't really use these two wooden perches that much. They use the Y-shaped one, that's like where they sleep and stuff, and just they spend most of their time on that. That's why it's so mucky and dirty. But I don't usually use these two too much. So yeah, they don't seem to play with this toy much either. Kind of disappointing. But this was a really fun toy. So that. We also have these, which stop the food and water from being contaminated by their heat. There's that. There's another one. This is the top of the nesting house, which don't use that much. So, should be fine. Now this is the patch they use absolutely loads. Hopefully this wants to dry. This one's still a bit dirty because they spend most of their time on here. And so yeah. Might take a while to dry. Just dry enough. And I also did the water bowl at the same time. This is nice fresh water. So yeah. Now we are going to move on to this, which does take a while. So I'm going to do most of it off camera. Now that's done, we move on to doing the top part. So as you can see, I just put some newspaper underneath the bars, which are totally clean. And I just have there for some minute and some of their brown toys. The food and water will go in after I've reassembled the cage. And so yeah. So if you can see there's only the bottom half of the house left, which I shall be cleaning now. So they don't really use this house. I guess I'm about to put them in there and they'll come in. I've seen them in it once. But I don't want them. So yeah, it's done. See, that's nice and clean. So I should be putting the purchase in now. So this is the cage. The bottom still needs a bit of cleaning, which I shall be doing now. So around here, because as you can see, there is quite a lot of colour, which I shall be getting off. So I'll get to it. Because this video is probably going to have really minimal editing. Or it's just a cage clean video. So this is a more or less finished cage. You can hear the Budgies strongly chirping in the background. It's finished apart from the fact it has no fruit or veggies in it. And now I'm trying them out with the egg stick as well as the fruit stick, which you can see in the background there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know some people did, didn't they?